Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Yo, one of my cookies is so messed up, and like I'm about to just we're gonna start off with that cookie because I want to give it some hope. But this cookie, I'm about to show y'all. Look at how they did me. This looks so bad, real bad, so bad. It's what happens when you deliver it. You deliver it. I swear, the treatment you get when you go in person versus delivery is two different things. Like, it's crazy. This, oh, and as y'all can see, I got a 6-pack because they had like a Molten lava or whatever. And y'all know I'm a fiend. I just realized I'm bugging, or they didn't put no powdered sugar on it either. Yo, they doing me so wrong. What the hell? You know what that means? I'm gonna go up in there. Oh no. It has light powdered sugar, but they didn't put no powdered sugar on mine. Comment down below if I should report them or not, because they be giving you like one free cookie shit. But at this point, it's 3 messed up cookies, so yeah. So this is a sea salt tofu, whatever it's called. It's already breaking. I'm about to just go right in. It's pretty good. I don't know what tofu, whatever it's supposed to taste like, but this tastes good. It tastes like a caramel low-key, then it tastes a little chocolate. But it is milk chocolate. If it was dark chocolate, I feel like it would taste better. But the sea salt does help with the flavor a lot. I feel like the sea salt kind of like helps balance out the 2 flavors. But this is really good. I'm gonna give this a solid 7.8. Not an 8 because it's not like oh my god good type shit. The milk chocolate kind of threw me off a little bit, but it's still a pretty decent cookie. So this is the peanut butter brittle. About to just go right to it. I'm gonna try getting a bit. All right, this bite has it closest. I like it. I'm gonna take another bite. I feel like if you do not like peanuts or peanut butter, you will not like this cookie at all. The middle is definitely, it's like has crispy side, soft middle. Good, but it's a bit dry, but I feel like peanuts are dry. Today we have detox water. It's cucumber, key lime, and water. The peanuts make it more crunchy kind of thing, gives you that crunchy vibe that you want. The edges are crispy, which is like really good. I like crispy cookies, edges, and soft middle. I think it was pretty good. But if you do not like peanuts or peanut butter or anything like that, you're gonna hate that cookie. Especially if you don't like peanuts, because it actually has peanuts all over. Like, oh my gosh. It has peanuts all in the middle of the cookie too. Like, this is like a peanut lover cookie. So the next one we're gonna try is the pecan pie. That's how it's looking like. Honestly, I don't think I ever had pecans before. This is gonna be my first time having it, so low-key scared. Then you have the pecans. This is where I get the nutty flavor from. I don't know how I feel about the nutty flavor. I'm gonna take another bite, even though I'm not 100% sure I like the sauce, but I don't like the pecans. But I'm doing it for y'all because y'all want an honest review. I definitely had pecans before. I don't like it. I don't like the pecans, but whatever the brown sauce is, plus like the pie shit, is so good. I didn't give a rating for the last cookie. The last cookie was like 8.2. This cookie, I'm gonna give this a solid like, because I feel like if you remove the pecans, I feel like I'm saying that so wrong. It's gonna taste way better than it will if it didn't have it. If it had it, I'm tweaking. But the sauce is so flavorful. Like, the sauce is like giving me like a cinnamon vibe, fall vibe, kind of vibe. I said vibe like 5 times. But the pie was really well made. I'm gonna give this a solid 7.2 because I know the pecans are the star of the show, but I'm not really feeling it. But everything else is really good. So far, the ratings has not been too low today. That's good. Which one is this one? This is the orange roll. I had a little bit of the frosting shit, when I was trying to take videos of the cookie, and the frosting tastes bad. So we're about to have another bite. Not a bite, but like an actual real bite. This is a solid cookie. It tastes like oranges. You get that orange flavor. It tastes good. Let me try a little bit of the middle part. I think the cookie itself, it doesn't have too much sugar. Like, it's like, I like this balance it has compared to the other cookies they be having, like as in that involves sugar cookies. The frosting is not too much, it's not too sweet, it just has a perfect blend, like a blast of orange, which I really do enjoy. But I like oranges, but the orange frosting, I don't know, I want to eat like the fruit in the middle right now. I don't know, it wasn't bad, but it wasn't like, it wasn't terrible, it wasn't bad at all. I just feel like this is not my kind of vibe. Y'all know when it comes to fruits and baked goods, I do not really like them like that. So I'm gonna give this a solid 7. Even though it was good, if you love oranges, if you like fruits and baking shit, you'll love that cookie. But me though, I'll pass. So the next one is the Molten Lava, and this is really the star of the show. And this is the only reason why I got a 6-pack. So we're gonna break it in half. Haven't done one of these in a minute. And we're gonna, ooh, it barely had a pull, but does have it has like a little bit on the inside. This was heated up with like 15 seconds. This will be perfect. That's amazing. That's really amazing. It's like so crispy. I love crispy cookies. It's crispy, but it's so soft on the inside, and it's not too much sugar. Like, I think I'm hitting the age where I can't have a lot of sugar, except chocolate. When it comes to chocolate, I can have as much chocolate in the world. But sometimes people do it too sugary rather than let the chocolate do its thing. And I feel like they definitely let the chocolate do its thing. This cookie is super good. It can have more chocolate in the middle, but I think it will make it too soft. But I feel like if you heat it up, it will have more of the gooey pull. I really like this cookie. And I'm gonna give this one a solid, I keep looking at this tiny ass piece, but I have a bigger piece here. I'm gonna give this cookie a solid 9, just because it wasn't warm. But I don't know if it was a delivery or what. And that's it for day 5 of Vlogmas. We're real consistent. And I let y'all know yesterday that I wasn't sure if I was doing it today. I did get delivered. It was because of, like, I feel like the menu was really good. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all don't like it when I post it late either, because my views be going down when I post it late. And yeah, make sure y'all like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. I feel like I had like a low calm energy today, and it's really because, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not as hyper as I usually am. But tomorrow video, I'm gonna try filming it today so I can be on time. Tomorrow video, I am trying the Trader Joe's taste test of everything I got that I bought on yesterday's video. So make sure you check that video out. And I love y'all dearly, and thank you for watching me during Vlogmas. It is 2:43 right now, so we're gonna edit this video, post it before 4 o'clock, and y'all about to see the video in a few.